Hey, look, we got Buzz Down, Tatiana for the birthday girl.
Don't put it on now. Oh, you gonna stay?
We gonna hit her with the confetti.
No, we putting them on.
We don't need no hat.
My
girl.
hand.
So okay, never mind.
We gonna got some more confetti. We gonna bump it, and we'll be like, Buzz Down, Tatiana. Wanna see you, Buzz Down. So my cousin mad cause she think we're not doing it for her birthday. So we just snuck over here in our other friend Mackenzie's room, and we finna just have her come in here, so it'll be easy for us to like pop the confetti and stuff. Since Mackenzie got a vacuum and stuff, but she really in her feelings. She keep posting all these snaps and stuff, you know. In her feelings, but she just don't know. We're trying to be friends of the year, cousins of the year. And Mackenzie's taking a poop. Maya has to poop. I don't have to poop. But check back when we tell her to come. I'm back. I had to show y'all. We got these incredible candles. So it's supposed to like, when you put it on our post, it will spin or something. I'm not really sure. But when you open it, spin. Don't get smart yet, because I'll hit you with this thing. I want to see you, but we did it because her name Tatiana, and I always say Tatiana. But this is open.
Y'all gonna write something on the card?
This is my friend Maya. She my airport. Ooh, I wrote that. So
Put that out my face.
Cut that out. Ew. She said girlfriend. But look, this one. Mackenzie picked it out because Mackenzie's so mushy. Alright, come on, Mackenzie.
We couldn't like this till she get here so she could see it open.
Oh, we can record.
No, we can't.
No, you can't.
We
Because
gotta
she walk in.
But
But you ought to see that out because my cop.
But somebody gonna have to record it because it's.
Mackenzie come right in my video. No, I can set the phone up so it can record it. So you can hold the cake.
Okay, but I'm saying like. No, we should just let her light it herself.
No.
So she can record it for herself.
No. You're weird.
Let her light her own candle.
Shh. You're in my video. What?
we trying to take them out.
Yeah.
Can you come down to the room? My coochie don't look like it then. Alright, Mom.
We waiting on her to come. I just do something wrong. We waiting on her to come though. My kids had just called her, so she said she finna come. They live in the same dorms. But you know me and Lombard, we be on the other side.
You cook from that thing?
Yeah. You fried? No, I just cooked.
I'm gonna have to speed this part up.
Because I ain't got to. I see this is.
Like, well, she not, y'all come like this.
Oh, okay. What love is?
But she not.
You gotta be quiet so she don't know me.
You from stand back here.
I'm not gonna talk to my video.
Get her the lighter. When she not, you who gonna open it? Oh, you gonna open it.
No, you gotta open.
No, she gonna open them.
Oh yeah, it's open.
Yeah, it's open.
Yeah, we gotta pop
She gonna
on
do
those
something.
guys.
Close the bedroom door. You gotta hear her because we gotta light that thing before, so when she walk in, it's like.
You gonna see her?
Oh yeah. I hope this shit better work right, John. Oh, you are.
You
I
gonna
keep
open
forgetting.
it till she like this. So that way you
have to
can
get
finish
back
so
on
I
it.
can feel it open. So she could have time to bust up a fit on. And I'm just recording everything from my hair.
I need
If I record it, I can send it to you. Cause I got my camera. You're so good. Oh, she putting on her clothes.
Mm-hmm.
Who you wanna call cereal? Who you wanna call cereal?
Oh, you are silly to back and
Cut that big right on. It's the safety. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
I like this like that.
Okay, go all the
I feel like I like
Yeah, it's a love, Benji. No. Because you probably got in the time. I shit it. I hate it too.
There she go, there she go. I'm just playing.
I was like, oh no.
It's off already. It's off.
Oh God. Yeah, come, mama. Come here, mama. Happy birthday! Daddy! Oh. Yeah, come, mama.
Hold on. Wait.
Come here, mama. Happy birthday! Daddy!
This is her. But
This don't work.
it
It
read the cake cuz.
I couldn't even say that because the alarm went off. I was like,
read the cake.
why you do the thing?
But kids slept there with a cabbage. But down thought the other.
we should have said
That's why we know. It was scary. It did, because I was just like, ooh, it was like, boom. I was like, oh, shit. They shoot, did the fire alarm went off. So. Mackenzie slapped the, well, this gonna be a children's channel. Mackenzie smacked the mess out of that thing. Then she threw the candle in the toilet because she was scared. Is it still in there?
No, I had picked up everything, put it in the garbage.
Oh.
Because I was like, they come down here, we're going to be like this.
We ain't do it. That was Maya.
But I don't understand why it came on.
Okay.